Why is it helpful to keep in mind that taking care of you is not being selfish, it's being practical? Because as a healthcare provider, taking care of your physical and emotional health means you can be more effective. So self care is being practical. Self care is time well spent. So, how can you bring simple self care into your workspace? Then, how can you bring these simple self care strategies home with you to manage stress and pain? Pain that can be physical or emotional. And of course, how can you share these recovery and management tools with those you serve? Please join me at El Calhoun for some ideas on simple stretching and breathing breaks. This 1 hour interactive, experiential, and trauma informed training walks you through how to easily incorporate these short breaks at work and at home. And the program is based on the Green Tree Yoga approach of building safety, supporting empowerment, and maintaining simplicity. So, what does this 1 hour training include? A 20-minute practice for you, a 20-minute narrated PowerPoint, time for you to practice 2 short scripts, and support materials in each of these 3 formats: audio, MP3s, video, MP4s, and handouts are offered to meet diverse learning styles. There are 7 breathwork and 15 stretching and breathing breaks, 5 science made simple modules to inform and inspire you, and a bonus sharing breathwork video on ideas about how to share breathwork. Please join us to add these simple self-care tools to your day. So,